Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you a whole chain of fight in one mission. So I have selected a good team and checked that all the requirements are fulfilled, and now I will begin the quest. So let's see who are we fighting first and choose hero accordingly. So first we have a 3-star Vision. Vision from my perspective is one of the weakest of the Avengers, or at least he is portrayed to be the weak one, because he literally has a mind stone, one of the infinity stones on his head, and yet see the character what he has done in MCU. Literally nothing. See the Scarlet Witch and Miss Marvel are the characters that just have power of an infinity stone, right? Then too they are incredibly strong. This character in particular is like having a stone on his head. But what's the use? He can be beaten by anyone. He takes beating from like smallest of the heroes. Yeah. He took a beating from Hawkeye in Civil War. What's the point of having a infinity stone on your head? So now, one of my favorite fights, Adamantium Claws versus Vibranium Claws. So, like Wolverine has an adamantium skeleton, and even the claws are adamantium. Then we have the king of Vibranium, T'Challa, Black Panther. This is just because that my Wolverine is incredibly strong. That's why he won. He's a 5-star and Black Panther was 3-star. But if the fight happens in the movies, I don't think it would be such a easy fight for any of heroes. So now we have the Rhino. Will send my Luke. No, not Luke. I will send Moon Knight to fight him. I think if you have seen my previous videos, would have seen one such fight. So my channel is not to bore you. If you have seen the previous video, I think probably you can skip for 20 to 25 seconds. Let's just get it done with. Okay, so that one was a good attack. I don't think you would have seen it in the previous video. Total knockout. Moon Knight is a good martial artist, like I had told in my previous video too. So let's just, I think we would have an ambush here. No? Oh yeah, we are lucky. No ambush. Winter Soldier. Like in my previous video, Old Man Logan will defeat him in like second. Oh no, it's the Punisher, it's not Winter Soldier. It looked like Winter Soldier, it's Punisher. Netflix Punisher is one of my favorite MCU series. It's too dark, but awesome series. So yeah, that's done. Again, in this game, Punisher 2 has incredible abilities. Like when his 5% health is remaining, it's kind of not possible to kill him. Then now we have an ambush by Adaptoid. I told in one of my previous videos, Adaptoid in this game is shown incredibly weak, or maybe the 2-star Adaptoid is weak, but in the comic book Adaptoid is like a hell strong villain, because he has the ability to adapt as per anyone he is facing. So he upgrade himself time to time. Now we have Ronan the Accuser. Again, if you have seen my previous videos, I would suggest you that you should skip this fight for like 20 to 25 seconds, because my Iron Fist is 4-star and he just takes a few seconds to end Ronan. So Iron Fist rule here is like the One Punch Man. See, just one good punch and his health is like dumping. Done. So yeah, if you have had skipped the fight, and welcome back. And now we'll be having a final fight. No, 2 more fights, sorry. Now we'll be fighting, I think, yeah, Drax the Destroyer. Drax the Destroyer is here again. My Iron Fist will knock him out in just few seconds. This time I won't suggest to skip the fight because this fight hardly takes 5 to 7 seconds. I hope it will take that much. But yeah, that's it. Okay, this time my Iron Fist has got bleeding. And it is done. Like I told you, this fight is quite small. It hardly takes a few seconds because my Iron Fist is very strong. Now, just like previous videos, in the final fight I will try to show you the most supreme power, that is the red power or the 3-bar full power as it is called in the game, of two different heroes. This time I will show you of Iron Fist first. So let's fight. Again, like in previous video, I will be playing defensive first because I need to fill the bar, and to fill the bar we need to take good amount of beating. So yeah, see, I'm just playing defensive here, not attacking at all. The kicks you are seeing here is not actually me attacking. That kicks are to move forward. If I want to move forward, there is compulsory attacking. So I'm just moving forward once in a while and then just defending myself. Okay, so the bar is almost full. As soon as it becomes red, now you will see it's red. I think this attack is called the Immortal Iron Fist attack. And my Iron Fist is knocked out. Like I told, it's not that easy to defeat my Iron Fist. But since in this game I was just playing defensive, didn't use any attack except the supreme attack, I was knocked out easily. Now I have chosen Luke Cage, but in this game I will try to play good defense, not like previous game. So I will come forward and go back, and then yeah, like this, something like this. I will go back whenever he tries to punch me a good one. See, I'm not rusty. Okay, so I'm cornered around. That can be a problem. Yeah, because I am cornered, I can't move back at all. Now I just need to wait for the bar to be full and become red so that I can use the final attack. Again, the final attack will give me a chance for extra damage. I won't be using it. See? That's some good amount of beating for Kang the Conqueror. Kang the Conqueror is very strong villain. It technically takes whole team of Avengers to defeat him. Since it's a game, even Luke Cage can defeat him. I don't think in comics anywhere Luke Cage alone can defeat him. He's very strong. He has technology of like a century ahead, and he's prepared because he has seen in history the role of Avengers and all. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.